Underneath the moonlight's soft serenade, heartbeats echo in a symphony played. The whispers of love once so boldly sown, now mingling with sadness as they are overthrown.
This is the song of goodbye,
A melody that weeps through our cry. Every note tells a story untold of moments cherished and dreams now old.
history is blue.
In every laughter shared by day's first light, now just echoes in the silence of night. Memories etched in time like ancient art, parting ways with hearts torn apart.
This is the sound of goodbye.
Parting ways with hearts torn apart. This is the sound of goodbye, a chorus that makes our spirits cry.
With each beat, a silent plea.
For love's sweet embrace to set us free.
With each beat, a silent plea.
The sun sets low on fields we once roamed, our hands entwined, now just memories foam. Every touch and every gentle kiss fading away like morning mist. This is the sound of goodbye, a tune that whispers love's demise. Each note a tear on parched lips as we bid our adieu with soft eclipse. Verse 40 in dreams, your silhouette dances and swirls, yet reality reminds of the untold pearl. In dreams your silhouette dances and swirls, yet reality reminds of the untold pearls. A love that bloomed in innocent youth's day, now wilting under life's relentless way. This is the sound of goodbye, an anthem to a tearful sky. In every chord struck my time's decree lies hope that love will set us free.
This is the sound of goodbye.
The hallowed hallways and familiar rooms, the echoes of our laughter still resume, yet shadows grow longer with the setting sun as goodbye whispers until we're one.
This is the sound of goodbye.